look at people's situations and relationships now. Like I can literally tell, yeah, this person is in a relationship. Yeah, this person has somebody that's decent. Yeah, this person probably has somebody that respects them. Yeah, this person has somebody that's trying to hold on to them. It's I don't know, man. It's just it's a pattern. It never fails. It's a pattern. That's why every time I'm looking at certain content, I just smile. Well, I'm just curious. Let me just see. Let me just see. And it makes sense. All right, so this is another young lady that said, "This is the energy the world needs." Hmm, what is that exactly?
Whoop, whoop. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
I please my man in every way. If he's at the dentist, I make him nut. If he's at J. Crew returning a sweater, he's nutting. If he's trying on another sweater, he's getting a nut. If he exchanged that old sweater for the new sweater, he's nutting. It's like trail mix because his day mostly contains nuts and his balls look like raisins. If he's at his aunt's funeral, he's getting 2 nuts. One at the open casket, one when they're lowering her into the grave. While he's nutting, I'm thinking about the next nut. I'm like a squirrel. I'm planting nuts all over this place. If he's at Target picking out curtains, I'm like, come on, babe, you're getting a nut. At the end of the day, I roll his gap like a tube of toothpaste to make sure there's no nuts left.
Wait a minute.
He's at our kid's parent-teacher conference, he's getting a nut. I'll make him nut while he's nutting. That's the secret. I make my man nut 27 times a day.
Let's go, boy!
Yeah! Wait, she said she make that man 27 times per day? Nah, I'm gonna need, listen, man, good grief. I mean, I can appreciate the thought, but 27 times per day is crazy, boy. Whew, man. She said, open casket before they drop it down the ground. Like, good. Hey, man, listen. Knock that little thing out of commission. You better sit down somewhere. What you talking about? Oh, man.
The guy deserves. If I'm not getting 10 out of you every single day, then I'm not going to bed until you've...
She said she needs 10.
If that's his average, you know what I mean? If I've seen you bust 10 consecutively for a little while and today you've only busted like 6 or 7, I'm like, honey, are you alright? Like, do you need to a couple times or something?
No, you think 10 a day is your requirement?
Requirement?
Or like what he deserves?
Yeah, I think so.
Have you ever made a guy more than that in a day?
I think 15 or something like that. I'm gonna work toward that goal.
15?
And then, yeah, I'm gonna let you know how often I reach it in a week.
Well, we're starting at 10, and like I think getting to 15, that's a pretty reasonable goal.
Yeah, he better eat his Wheaties, lace up his Nikes.
Yeah.
So I want to point out something real quick before we hear from this other young lady. Now she said, "Have you ever had a guy?" One of the things that I look for when I'm listening to content is my man. You know what I mean? Like my person. And when I don't hear that, it kind of rubs me the wrong way. So who is this directed to? Who is this for? Technically this type of information and stuff should be kept to yourself and it shouldn't be put out there in the public. But I'm just saying, if you're going to have a conversation, make sure it's about a specific person, a special someone, not just, I'm going to see if I can make this person or the next person 10 times, 15 times in a day. I don't know. That just it kind of rubs me the wrong way. And I don't know. I don't know how much we can say like it was truth in that. It kind of seemed like cap a little bit. She started rubbing on her hair. And I feel like that's like a telltale sign that somebody's lying. Yeah. I need one more like that. Wait, what they talking about?
For feeling proud and for wanting to have, that girl power and holding things over him, but no, you've got to give it up, ladies. I please my man in every way, all the ways. Wake him up, he gets to nut. Before he leaves out the door, he's leaving empty nuts. At work, I am calling him like, come outside, it's your lunch break, it's time for you to get your nut off. When he gets home, he's getting fed, he is getting another nut and one before bed, or 2 if he's lucky. And that's it. That's the secret. I make sure that my man nuts at least 6 or 7 times a day.
So let me point something out real quick. Women that think like this, honestly, these women literally live in bliss. Like, I don't know what it is, but the women that are freaks toward their man. I'm not just talking about just freaks in general, because you do have those. They just want to get it off. They don't give a damn if it's on the chair or to a chair or whatever. They don't care. But the women that know and understand, when they get somebody, oh, you getting all of it. You getting the whole dog in the morning, afternoon, night. Now, if you get a productive man, a man that's productive and aligned, and on his purpose, he ain't gonna be able to do all that. Ain't no 10, 12, 15, 30. Listen, when he taking care of business or whatever, cool. When he gets some free time, absolutely, 1,000%. Or when he get maybe 2 minutes, a woman that know and understand what she do, it don't take long. It don't take long. It don't take long at all. What is it? Pull here, tug there. You know what I'm saying? That deal. But those women that think and move like this, they stay in their relationships forever. Ain't no coming in between that. Ain't no coming. You know how to take care of your man. You do it on a regular, and you know how to make a sandwich, bro. Listen, ladies, you ain't getting that guy. That guy ain't going nowhere. Nowhere.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternup. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.